Hey guys, welcome back to Pincha Pink Salt. I hope you're all having a wonderful Saturday. The weekend is officially here and I know we're all super excited about that. And what better way to start the weekend off than with these beautiful, fluffy, vegan pancakes. And who does not love pancakes? I mean, really, they're so easy to make. All of the ingredients we have in our pantry and they make the perfect breakfast, especially with some really warm maple syrup. So you're gonna wanna make these pancakes right after we finish this video, I promise. Alright, so without further ado, let's get into the video. So we're gonna need a large bowl, and in that bowl we're gonna add in our all-purpose flour. And after that, we're gonna add in our baking powder, and that's what's really going to fluff up our pancakes. Next, we're gonna add in some cinnamon and some freshly grated nutmeg. If you don't have fresh, you can use just regular powdered nutmeg. And we're just gonna mix that together before we add in our plant milk. I'm using almond milk here. And once your batter looks like this, we're gonna add in our vanilla and maple syrup, which you can use whatever type of sweetener you'd like. I just like the maple because I think it adds a really nice flavor along with the cinnamon and nutmeg. And I'm also using melted vegan butter. You can use any type of oil you'd like, but just keep in mind if you don't use vegan butter, you may need to add a pinch of salt. And now it's time to fry. And we've all made pancakes before, so we know this process. In a pan on medium to low heat, we're gonna add in some vegan butter. And I want my pancakes to be about the same size, so I'm using a 1/4 cup measuring cup because I want them to be medium small. And because I am making them on the smaller side, I can fit 2 in a pan. So that's actually perfect for me. You're gonna notice that it is going to puff up and it's gonna start bubbling. Once you see those bubbles start to pop and you have tons of bubbles on the surface or popped bubbles on the surface, you know it's time to flip. So just peek at the other side, make sure it's golden brown. And once you see that beautiful color, you know that it's time to flip it over, which you can see here. Alright, so you're going to want to flip both of those pancakes over, which you can see I am struggling because they're so slippery. Alright, there we go. And we're going to let them fry on the other side for another maybe 3 to 5 minutes before removing them from the pan. And as you can see, I have my little stack right here and I'm ready to go. So this recipe makes about 8 small pancakes and 4 to 5 large pancakes. So if you have a lot of mouths to feed, this recipe is so easy you can double or triple the recipe if needed. And now I'm finishing off my pancakes with some vegan butter, which ended up melting, but it's all good, and some warm maple syrup. And guys, if you have not had warm maple syrup on your pancakes, you guys are really missing out. You really have to warm it up, maybe 5 seconds in the microwave, and then pour it over your warm pancake. It's just so good. And I added on a little more vegan butter just for the aesthetics, and I'm cutting into these beautiful, fluffy, not gummy pancakes. And when I tell you guys, the flavor combination in this pancake recipe is amazing. I mean, it is absolutely amazing. Every time you want pancakes, you're going to crave this recipe. So now that you guys have the recipe, this is a perfect time to give them a try. I promise you will not be disappointed. It's still early, it's Saturday morning, and if you can't do them today, tomorrow morning, this should be on your menu. And I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that like button, and we put out new videos like this every single week, so definitely subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell. And until next time, have a great day.